So Sweta madam, you recommend to put methi seeds on that point and tie it up?
Yes, yes, yes.
But that is actually face, the bottom, that is actually face, and 2 points are the
Eyes.
eyes, actually, eyes related to eyes. Okay, madam. That like we can put this one also, right? What one magnetic ones also? Overnight we can apply.
Magnets are there in, I think, in kit.
It is there,
Do you
madam.
have
Magnets are there, madam. Yes.
You can put magnets. It will give a fast result.
Okay, madam. Sure, definitely. Yeah.
No.
Now we'll. I think madam wanted to tell. Yes, Abura, madam.
Yes. So, what you are doing with Trifla?
Yes, madam. Actually, Trifala Achuran, she will boil into the boil, and that eye cup is there, na? Eye cup is there, na? In that one, she will put that water, and she will put like this actually.
After straining it, not after making Trifla Kashai.
Yes.
Straining means water filter is fine. Water filter.
The Trifla is absorbed fully by water. Then after you have to filter that water. Otherwise, Trifla goes inside your eyes.
Okay. So water with the cotton with the cloth filter is fine, madam. With cloth filter.
Yes, sir.
On that is, they told me that after filtering, they are using like that. So I am not suggest them.
I told to use the filter.
Me,
but
okay.
she says, yeah, it's okay. Chalta hai. She is using directly as it is.
No. It's fine, but actually, what is Trifla is a powdered form, right? And when you boil it with water, it becomes a kashai. So water already contains all the properties of Trifla. So there is no need to have that powder. And if it goes inside your eye, you feel कर्कराहट को क्या बोलते हैं? You feel uneasy.
Okay.
Just like,
it means like some sort of boiling the tea. You have to boil it fully.
yes,
then,
yes.
Like a tea, strain that like the tea. That water, put it into the eye cup and use it.
Yes. After cooling down the water, then you can do the नेत्र तर्पण बोलते हैं उसको, नेत्र तर्पण.
Okay, madam. Yeah, like eye cup she will take.
Yes, sir.
Eye cup and put like this. Ice.
Yes.
Water could go inside also and outside also at points.
Yes.
Yeah. Apart from that, then I was recommending.
How many times she is doing that?
I think twice she does it. So I mean, just simply she boiled, not just make it hot. Then she just strains a little bit. Then she takes it, but actually completely has to boil.
Sir, you have to boil it till the water become 2/3.
Oh, okay. Yes.
And then you have to, when it cools down, you have to strain it, and then you can keep that water and you can use that water for 24 hours. After that, you have to throw that water. Then next day, you have to make again the kashai.
Okay, that the filter water, that kashaya can be taken for 24 hours.
Yes. Taken means you have to do the netra tarpan. How many? You can do the netra tarpan 3-4 times.
Okay, the same water.
Yes, with the same water.
Oh, okay.
But avoid using it on next day.
Yeah. Okay, madam. Within that day itself.
So you just need to take a cup of water and then put half spoon of trifla, then boil it for 3 to 4 minutes. Then it will thoda kam ho jata hai pani. Then you have to cool it down for 5 to 10 minutes and then strain it 2 to 3 times. You have to strain it with the linen cloths, and then what the water left, you can do the नेत्र तर्पण to the वो जो आई कप रहता है उससे आप नेत्र तर्पण कीजिए, वो भी बहुत अच्छा रहता है. सेकंड वन इज तुलसी का जो है ना नेत्र तर्पण, वो भी बहुत अच्छा रहता है. तो व्हाट यू कैन डू.
Yes, madam.
One for 2 times she is doing tarpan with the Triphala Kashaya, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
So you can say for one time she can do with the तुलसी ड्रॉप्स डालेगा पानी में और फिर उससे करके देख. तुलसी इज ऑल्सो एंटीऑक्सीडेंट रहता है.
Oh,
तुलसी भी.
okay, okay, okay. Just normal
So
water.
no need to make the tulsi leaves and boil it and then again cool it. You just can, what you can do, you are having Sri Tulsi.
IMC Sri Tulsi is there with us. IMC Sri Tulsi is
Yes.
there.
So what you can do put 2 to 3 drops and then do the nature turpin. But
No, no. Should not put a Sri Tulsi is very, very strong. So
Okay.
you have to 1 liter, you can put a 1 drop and then
Okay.
you can use. IMC Sri Tulsi is very, very strong.
okay,
But
okay,
for eye cleaning,
okay.
madam, for eye cleaning, Sweta, madam.
That is also, it is very strong. You should not use that much of strong. Apurva ma'am don't know about that concentration. That's why I'm telling you.
Oh, okay,
That's
okay,
why.
okay, okay, okay.
Otherwise, even one tulsi patti is
Oh,
enough
okay.
for our
Enough.
body.
Okay, okay. Then
In
maybe I
IMC,
think,
100 liter, whatever the main 100 liters come to 1 liter,
oh,
10 liters. That's why in
Okay.
IMC, Sri Tulsi is very concentrated.
oh, okay.
1
Oh.
drop is enough for a lot of problems. That's why I'm telling the concentration should be diluted
Very low.
while
Okay, okay.
using ice.
Okay, okay, okay. Apart from that, I am also recommending her to use the neem pure liver care also, because liver and eyes are both are related. So whenever she's getting a problem with the eye, I am thinking that challenge might be there in the liver side also, because of the interrelation between the outer organ and inner organ.
It is deposition in the eyes. There are some fat like deposition is in the eyes.
Okay.
I will send some 2 points for that problem. She can put methi or magnet in the hands. So it is also decreases that problem.
Okay, madam. Okay, madam. Got it, madam. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Correct, correct.
And sir, don't be in hurry. I mean, it will gradually.
Gradually it has to come down.
Yes, 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 yeah. Actually, this is not first time. She was having the similar challenge every yearly once. And
At which
last every yearly once.
Last 3 years, ma'am.
Yeah,
Last
yeah.
3 years she's
Okay,
getting that
which
problem.
season
And,
she is
to-
getting problem?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
means-
yes, with season.
Season.
No, which season?
I think similar to November, December, October. I remember last year October we went to the doctor, eye doctor, and surgery they removed the dust. And 2 years back also, but first 3-4 years back, starting time it will break automatically. It comes out that that thing. But 2 times it did not come out. It has become like that only. Then we went for surgery.
Okay. That means October season she got this problem. Okay.
Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
So maybe some sort of challenge inside only. Detoxification is definitely required, I am thinking.
Yes.
So liver care or neem pure, I am suggesting the blood purifier is one of the important one, blood purifier. Then for blood purification, wheat gold tablets are there, and blood purifier separate syrup is there. Both are there. One is the blood purification. This is what I am feeling like that.
Okay, you can give her. That is not problem.
One thing
But,
is whatever
liver
Apurva suggested,
function
Triphasol
should
will
be
do it. Yes, madam.
liver function should be a natural. So I will suggest the point. So she can put that point. It will be removed at a bottom level. That means root cause will be removed.
Our root cause will be removed with acupressure points.
Yes, yes.
Okay. The treatment plus the root cause can be removed with acupressure points of putting the magnets and the finger.
Methi.
Okay.
I just added 2 photos in the group. So wherein my sister is suffering with the same eye problem. But this is, she has reddened eyes. That is, the color of the eye has turned red. And then itching was there in the joint of the eye. That is koliki antam kada. అక్కడ
నేను ఇప్పుడు
జిల్లా ఉందండి.
చూపించండి కదా పాయింట్, అది యూస్ చేస్తే ఆయా అది అక్కడ
I
మేతి
agree with
చెప్పండి.
Methi seed. Okay.
Methi
Okay.
seed. You can put eye correspondence point, methi seeds. It will be decreased, and her body temperature is excess and heat is excess. She has to cool
Okay.
down her body.
Okay. What are the things to should be used? Any
Coconut
remedy
water.
like? Okay.
Coconut water.
Buttermilk,
She
like that.
use
Anyhow,
and
this is rainy season over here. So if we add those type of things, it will be much drain also.
difficult to do. Okay, she
Yeah.
can put otherwise she can put that area blue color sketch pen, sky blue color sketch pen. It
That
in,
she has to put dots in the blue color.
here what I am telling, I am
Yeah.
putting in dark blue, so you can put sky blue in that area.
2 dots in blue color. She has to put
Sky blue,
sky blue. Okay.
yes.
Right. I will send this video to her so that she can clearly understand what is happening.
Okay.
Right, ma'am.
Oh.
So only Menti will be available with her in the house, so she can apply Menti and then try that also. And today she has been to doctor, it seems. Only before that I didn't know. I just called her and asked me. So she has been to doctor, and doctor was reporting there is an infection in the eyes. So they have given 3 eye drops for to be used for 3 days, it seems, and then she has to reappear on 3rd day. That was that's what I came to know. Once anyhow we are discussing about the eye, so I got it into the mind that she is also suffering with that. So one of the idea which I have is whenever we feel any problem with our sensory organs, that is eyes, nose, and what we have to do is put few drops of oil in our navel place, into the whole of the navel. If you put oil, that will gradually reduce if there is any warmth in the body or anything. So that's what I had suggested her in the morning. But I think it is,
castor oil. That is good thing.
yeah, that I got to in mere. I know it very long from long time, but kal raat ko Sujata, it was 11 o'clock, so I couldn't tell her at that time. But I have applied the same thing. Actually, I had reaching in the eye last night, so mera dimag when it has given me the answer that I have to do that. So I did it for myself, and then I told her in the morning. So my intuition has given me the answer.
Okay.
That is
If
for
she
me.
is suffering infection, her body heat should be decreased. Otherwise, it will not go infection.
Okay. So
Otherwise,
infection. If there are infections, what are the food we have to take to get out the infections? As of anything like that, any foods to be eaten?
Papaya, pineapple. Those are the good
Fruits.
food. Fruits.
Okay.
In food, we can leafy vegetables is better to take.
Okay.
Yes, give one. Apurva ma'am told. I think Apurva ma'am telling about this food.
We will be sharing. One of you will be telling, and other 3 will be learning like that. It's nice. No?
Yeah, Shweta ma'am.
What are the foods to be taken during for infection, Apurva ji?
For eye infection.
Any infections or like, if it is particularly eye infection, you tell me, or else any other infection.
If infection, there is different,
Okay.
things we need to apply. Netra Tarpan is good for eye because it gives you instant relief.
So 3 Tulsi drops is better, you say.
No.
No.
Trifla Kashai.
Trifla, maybe it is not available. That powder is not rightly available with her. If she has to go buy it will take 2-3 days now. So instead of delaying the process, you said Tulsi water. So boiling Tulsi, that is better, no?
Yes.
Instant use.
Yes. Boil Tulsi leaves in the water and then strain it and let it cool it for some time so that we are using it for eye, na? So after that, you have to do what sir said, eye cup. You can use eye cup and then do the netra tarpan.
And maybe if that is also not in hand for her, maybe everybody will not have netra darpan, that glass of small. It
No, you
is
can put in your hand. You can do it.
You can do cup to
हाँ,
abhi aaya hai ma'am. It is now available in the market. But before that,
okay.
our
I was-
hand having, very Shweta ma'am will tell you, they are having very great acupressure points. So these are even
Tirtha,
our
we like to use it,
palm.
Tirtha, yeah.
Yes, Shweta ma'am.
Yeah, definitely. It will help.
So
It
if
is
it
enough.
is
It is
not
also good.
possible,
Hand is also
she
good.
can wash with that water also, no? She can wash the eye also with that water.
Yes.
Yes.
I was asking, right?
Proper filtration is important.
Yeah, filter. Leaves filter means just picking up the leaf is it is difficult to filter the kashaya. That is powdered kashaya. If it is
Yes,
leaf
yes.
kashaya, it's somewhat
It's
safe.
quite easy. Yes, yes.
Yeah, that's what. I
Before that, you have to wash tulsi leaves with salt water. Before
putting into
kashaya.
this. Okay.
Ah.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
For any infection, that is a virus or anything, bacteria from
Yes,
the leaf.
yes.
Because it is to be applied in the eye means we have to take much care.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much, both of you.
Madam, if it is IMC Sri Tulsi there, how we can do? We just only hot water with IMC Sri Tulsi.
Yes, but as Shweta ma'am told, it is very concentrated. So
Concentration.
now I got worried.
Maybe
1
So
liter
it
of
would be
water to
better.
1 drop is enough, sir.
When
1
you are
liter of
using
water, 1 drop
IMC,
You
is enough.
have to be thoughtful about how much you are using.
Yes,
That-
in Sri Tulsi, in IMC, if you are using that IMC product, then you have to concentration. That is 1 liter per 1 drop for
Yeah.
eye washing. Okay.
Okay, but we
Otherwise,
need
if
to,
you are in your plants, it's okay.
we need to put hot water. How much hot water?
Gorevecha
For
neelu,
what
warm
purpose?
lukewarm.
Lukewarm
For,
water.
you're asking
That
for
is-
what purpose?
That for eye cleaning with water and IMC.
No need of
That's-
warm water.
Okay.
Should take a normal water. Should not use warm water.
Okay. Okay.
If you
Ice
are
should be
using
cooling
Sri
effect.
Tulsi,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got it.
During my childhood, whenever we have any dust into the eyes like that, my mother used to put a chunni warm करके लगा लेती है. Warming of the eye. No.
Yes,
Oh, ऐसा
yes.
होता है ना. So is it good to apply anything warm? That is for the easiness or for the
it is
comfort.
for ma'am, it is for very, बहुत ही छोटी अगर कोई चीज होती थी, just कुछ लग गया तो ही, but अगर if it is an infection, you have
Infection.
to filter it,
Clean it.
clean it. Yes.
No, I'm just asking whether warmth is good for an eye or not. That is the question I had.
No,
So,
if any
warmth
dust
can be
is
there.
okay. If
Hmm.
any small insects are going inside our eyes,
Right.
that's why they are warm and they put on that area. So if any insects are there, it has to die. For that purpose, they are doing that. But
Okay.
generally, for eyes, we have to give cooling effect. Regularly, if you wash with normal water or cold water for eyes, it is good.
Yes. And even there is a practice in Ayurveda where you have to have a mouth full of water,
Gobbling.
and then you clean your eyes, then
Yeah,
your Netra Jyoti got increased.
Yeah,
Right?
one day Sagarika ma'am has put one video like this. In that there is the full of water, then washing the eyes.
Yes, yes.
It-
Yes, sir. Just like that. Oh, and for cooling effect, you can use many drinks like soft water, soft
Sugandha
fenugreek.
product, Sugandha liquid, Sugandha
Sompu.
sompu. Okay.
Soft,
Mm.
soft.
Okay.
So
हाँ,
वो कषाय बना के पीना है.
but the thing is, if you are using so much cooling effect, right now weather is also cold, right?
Yeah.
So
The
much
kidney system will work out well.
Yes.
सोम को ऐसा खाना है, लेकिन नहीं तो कड़वा बना के पीना है. सौंफ
नहीं,
का.
सौंफ नॉर्मल भी सौंफ बहुत कूल करती है. कोकोनट वाटर अलोन कूल डाउन योर बॉडी. इवन
सौंफ
कोकोनट.
ऐसा खाना है या तो कषाय काढ़ा बना के पीना है.
नहीं, काढ़ा नहीं. ओवरनाइट सोक करके मॉर्निंग में उसका पानी पी सकते हैं. कषाय नहीं बनाना. हर एक चीज का कषाय इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड.
Okay. Even jeera water is also good for digestion, and that is to be soaked in the overnight and then drink. Or
Yes.
it is to be boiled, made a kashaya and eat. Drink.
No. If you want to boil it, then you can instantly do it in the morning. So
Overnight
no
we-
need to soak it overnight. And
Okay.
if you are soaking it overnight, then don't there's no need to boil it, because in the
Only
night
the thing is the extract is to be delivered into the water. This is the
Yes.
process. While we soak it for a long time, also the kashaya, the essence will come out. If you
Yes.
boil also, it will come out. The inference is we want the essence of the seeds to come into the water. Okay.
Yes,
Right. Thank you.
because through water it gives directly. It doesn't have to decompose. If you eat jeera directly, then or soft directly, then you need to chew it. Then it will go into your saliva and then your digestive system. But with water, it gives directly gives went through your digestive system.
Fast, effective. Okay.
Fast, yes, for fastening the effect.
Yeah, thank you.
What
Anybody
was-
else
what-
like
what-
to
what-
ask?
Thank you so much, Shweta ma'am. You are
No.
So she's practicing and she's a
Right.
doctor. Practicing from many years now. We are
Yes.
just emerging we are just following through the steps of her. अभी सीख रहे.
Any other questions? And Friday 3:30 to 4, we'll have some sort of recording on things. I think we got decided topic, how to take care of the weather change. Some topic was given last time, Ramesh Nunna sir. So maybe everybody come up, and if each one will get 2 to 3 minutes time, we'll have some 15 to 20 minutes topic, and we'll publish to the public also on that one Friday.
okay.
Topic is weather.
I think I'll put into the group, madam. I'll put into the group.
Okay.
We actually winter, no. Some people are having challenges winter. Some, especially many people I saw that near this.
I had a query.
Madam. What, Apurva,
I
madam?
had a query. Yes.
Yes, many people are suffering with the winter. So how to take care of that winter challenges?
Yes. Okay. I will pick out something so
Sure.
related to winter.
Yeah.
Actually, Shweta ma'am,
Yes.
I had a query.
Okay.